Some American Muslims traveling overseas unknowingly bought one-way tickets. They are being detained in other countries by the FBI, interrogated and prevented from returning to the U.S. That's according to CAIR, the Council on American Islamic Relations, which is warning Muslim travelers of the risk of being placed on a no-fly list and being barred from returning home.
What they're doing, from what we can see, is intervening when people are most vulnerable. They're not at their origin, where they might have some capability to take care of themselves, and they're not in America, where they would have full constitutional rights.
In the past few months, CAIR has received a number of reports of American Muslims stranded overseas, being denied proper legal representation, having their passports confiscated, and being pressured to become informants.
We had a person coming from Yemen back to the United States who was transiting through Cairo, but they stopped him in Cairo and put him on this no-fly list, and he's still there now.
According to Hooper, these individuals have not been told why they were placed on the no-fly list or how to remove their names from the list.
From what we can tell, the people they're interviewing are not terrorists.
The FBI says recent plots show the need to remain vigilant and thoroughly investigate every lead, and that the FBI is always careful to protect the civil rights and privacy concerns of all Americans, including individuals in minority and ethnic communities. The Council on American Islamic Relations advises overseas travelers to obtain a cell phone number of an attorney before flying, because it's just too difficult to get an attorney once detained.
I don't think people should be interrogated for no reason at all, or just because of who they are.
I think that's fairly ridiculous. Actually, it kind of seems to be avoiding United States law.
It's a very disturbing situation, and very puzzling that President Obama's administration would come up with this kind of apparently unconstitutional policy.
This type of racial profiling began after the attempted Christmas Day bombing and has escalated so much so that the American Civil Liberties Union has filed a lawsuit representing 10 U.S. citizens. According to the ACLU's legal complaint, thousands of people have been added to the no-fly list and barred from commercial air travel without explanation. For Press TV, Rhonda Pence, Washington.